Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download WinRAR for PC. I will show you how to install WinRAR for Windows 10 specifically. WinRAR is a very useful tool to help you zip your files and manage them within a compressed zip file. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to download it. First of all, go to any of your browsers, open the browser and search for WinRAR. Once you have done that, click on WinRAR.com, and here, as you can see, I'm going to click on download WinRAR. They will take me to this page, so all I need to do is to simply click once again here, and they will take me to this page. And as you can see, the WinRAR file has been downloaded immediately and directly. Next thing is to only click on yes, and as you can see, click on browse where you want the file to be installed, click on install, and as you can see here, I'm going to click on OK, done, and the setup has been made successfully. That was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.